Luxury courtyard homes, modern indoor-outdoor designs inspired by nature. Introduction, a fusion of elegance and nature. Welcome to our exploration of luxury courtyard homes, where modern indoor-outdoor designs harmoniously blend with nature. These stunning residences exemplify how architecture can seamlessly integrate with the environment, offering a sanctuary that celebrates natural beauty and contemporary elegance. As we delve into the unique features and design philosophies of these homes, you'll discover how courtyard layouts foster connection, light, and a sense of tranquility. Join us in appreciating the artistry behind these exceptional designs, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to share your thoughts on this captivating style. The concept of courtyard living. At the heart of luxury courtyard homes lies the concept of indoor-outdoor living. Courtyards serve as private outdoor spaces that create a seamless transition between the interior and exterior of the home. This design approach allows homeowners to enjoy the beauty of nature while maintaining privacy and security. Courtyards can be customized to suit various lifestyles, featuring lush gardens, tranquil water features, or inviting seating areas. By placing the courtyard at the center of the home, architects enhance natural light and airflow, creating an atmosphere of openness and serenity. Design principles of luxury courtyard homes. Luxury courtyard homes are characterized by their thoughtful design principles that prioritize harmony with nature. Open floor plans allow for fluid movement between spaces, encouraging an organic flow throughout the home. Large windows and sliding glass doors provide unobstructed views of the courtyard and the surrounding landscape, blurring the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Additionally, the use of natural materials, such as wood, stone, and glass, reinforces the connection to nature. These design choices Embracing natural light. One of the most significant advantages of luxury courtyard homes is their ability to harness natural light. The central courtyard acts as a light well, drawing sunlight deep into the interior spaces. This not only reduces the need for artificial lighting but also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Architects strategically position windows and skylights to maximize the flow of light while ensuring privacy. The interplay of light and shadow throughout the day adds depth and dimension to the living spaces, enhancing the overall ambience of the home. By prioritizing connecting with nature, outdoor spaces. In luxury courtyard homes, outdoor spaces are designed to complement the indoor environment. Patios, terraces, and gardens provide additional areas for relaxation and recreation, encouraging residents to spend more time outdoors. Thoughtful landscaping can include native plants, which not only enhance the beauty of the property but also support local wildlife. Water features, such as fountains or ponds, create soothing sounds that further connect the home with nature. These outdoor spaces serve as extensions of the living area, offering sustainable design features. Many luxury courtyard homes incorporate sustainable design features that reflect a commitment to environmental responsibility. Energy-efficient systems, such as solar panels, green roofs, and rainwater harvesting, reduce the ecological footprint of the home. Additionally, the use of locally sourced materials minimizes transportation emissions and supports regional economies. These sustainable practices not only benefit the environment but also enhance the comfort and efficiency of the living spaces. By prioritizing eco-friendly design, homeowners can enjoy the Personalization and customization. Luxury courtyard homes offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize and customize their living spaces. Architects work closely with clients to understand their preferences and lifestyle needs, resulting in unique designs that reflect individual tastes. This collaborative approach can lead to distinctive features, such as custom-built furniture, specialized lighting designs, or personalized landscaping. The ability to tailor a home to specific desires enhances the overall living experience, making each residence a true reflection of its inhabitants. This focus on personalization elevates the The role of technology in modern design. Advancements in technology play a crucial role in the design and functionality of luxury courtyard homes. Smart home systems allow homeowners to control lighting, heating, and security from their devices, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Additionally, innovative building materials and construction techniques contribute to the durability and performance of these homes. As technology continues to evolve, architects are finding new ways to integrate it seamlessly into the design, ensuring that luxury courtyard Conclusion: celebrating the beauty of courtyard living. As we conclude our exploration of luxury courtyard homes, we celebrate the remarkable fusion of elegance and nature that these designs embody. By embracing indoor-outdoor living, these residences offer a sanctuary that prioritizes well-being, sustainability, and personalization. The thoughtful integration of natural elements, sustainable practices, and cutting-edge technology ensures that luxury courtyard homes are not just beautiful but also functional and environmentally responsible. We hope you've gained insight into the artistry